Hello and welcome to Fixer Garage. Today this is a guy's la 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 la. Oh, we got the tunes on. Switch them off. I mean, I can't believe it, but I got to. I'm looking right at it. Here's my other toolbox. Just drop the washer. Never see that again. We'll just ignore that happened. Bingo. God damn it. Oh, for crying in the mud. Is this still recording? It is. Very good. Let's try it with 3/4. Nope. Nope. Yay! 7/8. Nope. God damn it. Ow! Why didn't I expect that? What a dumbass. Oh, damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Let's do this. Time for some snacks. My God, that was good. Snow's all disappeared. 31.75, 31.75, 31.75, 31.75, 60. Doesn't know what it's doing. Here's the snow. Here's the snow. Ain't that nice? Ain't that nice? Oh, coming out of second gear second gear corner here. And we're away like a fighter jet. Right, well that's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it, and hit the like button and subscribe, and we will get some more content up for you.